Welcome back to our Power Query series. I am Rajesh, and in this video, we will try to solve a real world problem. In our data, we have two columns. First column mentioning WBS or BBU, work breakdown structure we use in project business or billing breakup. And second column containing invoice numbers. We need to group data based on WBS or BBU so that we can show invoices raised against each WBS or BBU. If I filter B1, you can see we have two invoices. So we need to show unique values from first column and corresponding invoices numbers in second column. As you can see, same invoice appeared multiple times. So both are repeating values in first column as well as in second column. So first of all, let us upload our data in Power Query. As we need unique values from first column, so we will use group by and we will select first column to group our data. I have selected first column. Let me go to in Home tab, group by. Here we need to group by. We need to select first column. New column name I am giving invoice number. I am select operation as sum, and to sum I am selecting invoice. As you can see, invoice number is not number and I am using operation sum. So naturally we will get error. Let us go ahead and click OK. So as expected, we are getting error, but we get unique values from first column. So here now instead of list.sum, we will use text.combine to combine invoice numbers. And when we use text.combine, we need to give delimiter by which we are or separator we need to use for combining the invoice numbers. And done. Now let us upload the data in our Excel sheet. Existing sheet, and I am selecting this cell. OK. And we get the required result. Let us check. Let me upload one more invoice in B4 and change the invoice number and now two invoices. Let us refresh it. See, so it is dynamic. Hope it will help. For more such productive tips, keep watching Number Crunching with Rajesh from JupyterSolutions.in. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in next video.